Day to you guys. This is a fascinating World of Binary Options podcast. We're streaming live on YouTube, and we're about to unveil one of our most rock solid strategies. After our little bit of a loss last week, we were like, we gotta tighten this up. And so today we are doing a MACD cross with an alligator cross confirmation, and it's a little more advanced. But I don't know if I really need to get into all this. I'm just gonna log into Todd's account. And we're gonna start trading. Todd, are you excited about this?
Oh yeah, man. I'm more wound up than a tornado in a trailer park. I'm wound up tighter than a spring, man.
Hey, what's your password to get into Pocket Option?
Oh yeah, I'm just kidding. We are. Remind me again. Are we live on the internet here?
Yeah, we're live on the air. Sorry. Oh, that'd be personal information, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put that out there for everybody to hear.
Crap. Well, man, I have got like a migraine coming on, like really hard, dude. I might just have to go to sleep. Hey, we are live today, right now. Let's trade. That's our Telegram message.
I'm gonna put a post on Facebook here.
Okay, post it on Facebook. But first, oh man, I should go get my headache hat. Oh, I might get my headache hat. That might be it. All right, so I'm looking at what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up all my currencies.
So you're looking at two different charts, right? You've got two charts open in front of you.
Well, I have, yeah. I can look at them both actually. Yeah, yes. And I'm going to stick with currencies right now because that's just how I'm going to fish for these. Because I got to open up a whole bunch of crap. So I'm just going to open up all my currencies, like about 10 or 12 of them, and that way I can keep them kind of on my screen. I can see both, so, but I'm going to be surfing. I'm going to surf through and find some double crosses. Our trade is $1. No, our trade is $2. We can go 5 deep. And, Odd CAD is getting ready to...
What are all the trades?
Don't worry about that. Odd CAD is getting ready to go down. What does Odd CAD look like? That's a white line. Yeah,
it's a massive candle, and it's already sort of a little past the white line.
Yeah, I don't know if that's going through the white. There's no double cross confirmation on this. Okay.
Yeah, and the MACD is not quite near
each other. So that's going to be a no-go. And I'm going to guess that if we would have taken it, we would have lost it. Dude, this by the way, folks, I've been winning trade after trade after trade on my own, just using this method by myself, just testing it. Not in live. I've been winning live trades. I won like 6 or 7 today in a row. And so I was telling Todd, and this is kind of what we did last week. We killed it last week, like on Saturday or Friday. And then we got so cocky. We're like, let's go for a triple series. And we blew 5 trades. All right. So that's how it is. That's how it goes.
That's what happened. Yeah.
USD CAD might actually be, what's that look like? See, I can just look at it. I can tell you.
Okay. Yeah. But it does. Looks like it could be starting to go down. The MACD is nowhere near each other, but it's good that you can see.
Yeah, I can see.
You can see both charts. So.
Yeah, because right now I don't think that's going. It's like I don't think that's going anywhere.
Yeah, I don't think so.
On CHF, I just look at this one and I look at that one. That was already a double cross, and so kind of lost that one. That would have been a big win, though, but a double cross, so that would have been good. All right, we're just looking around. Odd NZD looks like it's going down. Let's look and see if that's not. It's not going to happen either. See, dude, these alligators are a lot of these alligators are false. They're false prophets, man. And when you look at the 1-minute chart the way we are, you can almost see that it's false.
But you can tell sort of when they're accurate because when you're looking at the 1-minute view. Okay. Euro GBP looks like it's about to cross now. It's been in a consolidation, but so the MACD's been real close together for a while anyway, but now it's sort of crossing up. I don't know what it looks like in
Euro GBP. Let me look. Okay.
Yeah, but it's not. No, it looks like it's pulling down now. So no, now it doesn't cross. Okay, so
CAD CHF is the one I was zeroing in on. It's kind of. I'm not going to take this one. I don't think we should take this one yet because my alligators crossed really good, but the MACD crossed kind of weakly.
It's already
and
crossed.
It's already at a line. Yeah. This
and
happened a minute
line,
ago. Yeah. It just wasn't very strong. When we're going to end up going 4 deep, we need strong signals.
Yeah, we're considering that, folks.
Odd CHF looks like it's nothing.
So we will have to win less trades, but
look for some setups of some double crosses. Man, I don't know. Yeah, we kind of got our butts kicked again a couple days ago just because we got a little cocky. We were also trying to play with some.
Well, we tried to do a few
stuff.
different. We were trying a few different things, and I think that unless you stick to one strategy in particular.
Euro USD, it might double cross. It actually, look at Euro USD and tell me if you think this is double cross. I'm crossed at the first red line, going down. Like the MACD might double cross. I just crossed this now. I think this one's moving kind of crazy, but
well, yeah, it's a green candle now in the 1 minute, but
the MACD's not confirming yet.
No, not even touching yet. Now it's getting closer, but it isn't quite there.
Yeah, it's not.
There's a lot of up pressure to this.
That's a fakey, dude. That's a fakey MACD cross too. Like it was getting ready to cross and it didn't. Okay. I keep looking for some. NZD-JPY. See if that looks like anything. No. NZD-JPY looks like it's setting up for a MACD cross, but it's all kind of wacky.
And then it kind of tanked down, yeah.
It's crossing down on the alligators right now, so I mean,
it's kind of consolidating, sort of.
Yeah, that one's not. That's jank too. USD CAD.
Yeah, that one's crossing now in the MACD. It's already crossed, but
which one?
USD CAD. But it's not really, I don't know, it's also not really completely out of the
crossing
overbought
down
position.
Oh. Well, the alligator's already crossed like 10 candles ago, so I don't think that's got enough strength. I think that's going to fake out.
No, it would.
Let's watch it. I bet it will, dude. I bet it'll fake out because it's not going to cross. The alligator's
but already
crossed.
Sort of did, but.
Yeah, but see, that would have been a MACD that I might have taken. But I think the reason that MACD crossed is that one big red candle pushed it down.
Right.
Because the alligators were already crossed like 10 candles ago. And I don't think it's going to cross. It's not, dude. Look, it's going to go back up. So we could actually call this one because it's like a totally
even though
fake.
That's not our strategy.
No. I was winning like that today. I was like, because now it's starting to go. Now the alligators are starting to go back up, but I don't think we should do that. I think we should really stick with really clear.
Yeah, we got to here.
Really clear wins.
Okay, Euro CHF, the MACD crossed now.
Is it down or up? Okay, yeah, it's going now. You think I should take it?
I mean, it looks like it's going up. It's not crossed real super big, but it's crossed. But it looks like it crossed in this candle, so I don't know if it's already considered crossed. You can probably see it in both screens, but
yeah, I took it.
I mean, that looks like it's probably going up to the white line there, I would guess.
Yeah, it crossed. Okay, so I got a confirmed cross in the alligator and the MACD cross from oversold. This should win.
Yeah, and it opened up a little bit bigger there on the MACD. So
yeah, we might have almost missed that one. I had to. I actually do like to see it myself. So I don't have to like look at you, like just trust what you're saying.
Well, I mean, when I looked at it, it was already crossed.
Okay, yeah, we got to that one like a candle late. So hopefully, but yeah,
but it's still going up and it's holding pretty strong. I mean, it's still pushing up. So
my alligators crossed really good on that one.
Yeah, and it's pushing up good. We got 7 seconds. So
I'm gonna screenshot both of these so I can show the people.
There we go. Big
That's
win.
a massive win. Massive, dude. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to get crazy on this episode, man. Hold on. Here we go, people. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's keep going. I guess we just need to look for. That was a good call. Did you found a double cross?
Yeah, it was kind of already.
Look at odd JPY. Is it crossing? It just
odd JPY. It's about to. They're they're sort of almost
on the downside. Why?
Oh yeah, going down, almost touching. They're not quite touching yet, but they're they're close to. It's three red candles on down right now. So, did it cross over in the alligators?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, now they're touching, and
I guess that could be a. I guess do I have to wait? I don't have to wait for the MACD to confirm, do I? If the alligators are confirmed, I think I can do it. Yeah, you can't wait too long for the alligators. I mean,
because now it's not. You got a little bit lower position. It kind of pulled up a little bit at the end of the candle, but now it's kind of
slow too.
Yeah,
it's actually so that was that not a MACD confirmation?
Well, the MACD is touching. It's not crossed.
Yeah, you're right about that.
And got 13 seconds, and it's not anywhere near winning just yet.
No, it's going to lose.
Unless it pulls down. It's moving very slow, so this is going to be a loss probably. Yeah.
Well, it didn't cross. It still hasn't crossed.
The MACD is not crossed, no.
So maybe I should wait till the MACD actually crosses.
Yeah, I mean, I guess
even that is too weak.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is just a very slow-moving chart, so.
The computer kind of got. Well, that was CHF JPY. No, it's nothing. Euro CHF. Is there anything else look like it's going to double cross? No.
Looking through here. The odd JPY kind of did. Is that what we were just on? Yeah, it looks like that's what we were on.
Yeah, that one's over with. Okay, NZD JPY. It's not going anywhere. Okay, so I think I have to wait for the MACD to. Well, I can't. No, that's right, dude. Okay, I got confused. I can't just take these trades on the alligator cross because
you have to wait for the
MACD has to cross or it's not going to be right. Right?
Yeah, because a lot of those are kind of false.
Yeah, they're false
until the MACD crosses. But that happens before the MACD crosses. So.
Right. So if I would have waited, the MACD didn't cross.
Euro RUB is heading down. The MACD is not. It's correct. It isn't touching yet.
Euro RUB.
Euro RUB. Yeah.
Oh yeah. That one looks like it might be something. Euro RUB.
Yeah.
Okay. So mine just crossed just now. If we can get a confirmed double cross, we could take it, right?
It's not crossed yet, but it's going to cross in this candle. It's also going to hit the white line in this candle. This candle's pushing down.
We need to wait till it opens. It hasn't crossed yet.
No.
But it did double. It did.
43 seconds left on this current candle.
We want to see it cross. If it opens big, we're taking it because it already.
But you're also going to be in the middle of a candle. Does that matter?
No, I'm saying 30 seconds. You got 30 seconds on your 1 minute candle. Right?
Yeah, 30 seconds, yeah.
If it doesn't cross, it doesn't cross. If it doesn't cross, it's fake.
So are you going more by the MACD cross? Or
I was now. I am now because the alligator already happened.
Okay, yeah, the alligator already happened, and now it's green. So if you would have taken this at the bottom of that red candle, this would be a win.
So if this crosses, I'm going to take it.
But we'll see if it does. I don't know. It pulled back a lot. Yeah, it crossed.
I mean, now I'm kind of confused, but I'm not going to be confused. Is it going down or not? You know what I mean?
No.
That's what we need to know.
Not now. I mean, it's kind of over, but it may.
What do you mean it's over?
It might go back down. It's kind of wicking out at the top, or it's going to have a big wick. It's going way up now, so I don't know.
But it's still well, yeah, it's turning now. Crap. Son of a gun. Hold on. This could still win. It's going down.
It's going down.
I mean, the thing is, the MACD crossed. It went down. Was it already rejected off the white line? We got 24 seconds.
There we go.
It's almost in the money.
Almost,
my next candle could be red if it is, and I'm good. I'm hitting a candle now. No, it's going to be green. It might shoot down. So what did I miss here? Like you know what I think I missed is you know what I think I missed.
Another one.
Hold on. You know what I think I missed? The these crossed way too. $10. All right, so let's go 10. All right, you probably would have told me not to take that.
Yeah.
Because it already...
That's one that I would have told you not to take in general. Yeah.
Even though it crossed.
Because it already kind of went towards the white line and retracted. So that kind of scared me off. So, yeah, I'm going to tell you if that happens. And just
tell me to stop then, dude, because we're on a third trade. All right. OddCAD. I've got a lot going on right now, so tell me if you think, like, this is not going to... OddCAD looks wild.
Well, okay, when you were doing this on your own, at what point did you enter? Because the alligator happens a little bit before the MACD. So are you entering?
I was kind of just feeling if I thought the MACD was gonna cross, and I like as soon as the alligators went down. Like, okay, so I looked at CAD JPY. I could. And, you know, like it looked like it's going down. It looked like the support and resistance was open for it. It looked like the MACD was kind of getting ready or crossed or getting ready to cross. And the alligators were kind of all lined up. You know, they didn't happen too much. So I better quit talking about it so much and just get my feels back, because I was killing it in my other session. Like I was just killing it. Okay, so GBP JPY. I was just making. Okay, GBP JPY is one I would take a call on.
It's kind of going up. You got 17 seconds left on this current candle.
If this goes through,
but it hasn't.
Yeah, that's what I would have done. It went through. It looks like it's going up. I can't lose my position.
Yeah, you don't want to lose your position.
My alligators already went up on this one. I mean, they just went up.
Yeah, and the MACD, if this goes up, this is going to cross.
Yeah, the MACD is getting ready to cross, and everything looks like it's going up. So let's hope this wins.
Oh, crap. Come on. Go up. Go
Sorry,
up. Go up.
34 seconds. That's all right. I think it's just retracting. I think it'll go. Oh, this is not good. What did the MACD cross? The MACD didn't cross.
MACD did not cross, no.
Dang it. Well, that's another loss, dude.
That is another loss. Okay.
You want me to keep doing this or what? Or you want me to just take the next one down? Well,
hold on. What is the next trade?
23.
Because this is a downtrend, so... And it looks like it's probably just going to keep going down. So, but it's at a line. I don't know what it's going to do. So I don't want to take anything on this.
Well, I mean, that's what I was saying. I would have just reversed that and taken it down. Maybe a little nervous because we're trading in everybody's account right now. So.
And we're on a fourth trade. So.
It did. It crossed the alligator. It flipped back, and now it's going back down. So unless it's just going to act funny, and it might. This one might act funny. Let's find a better one. Let's find one that looks like a real MACD cross. I will tell you, I think they both have to be confirmed. I mean, they both have to kind of be...
Yeah, because this, if you'd have taken a reversal on this didn't go.
Okay, right. So odd JPY, I'm just going to go look around. No, that looks like it's going down. Odd JPY looks like it's going down. Maybe soon.
We're going to have to just look for a good MACD cross here.
Right, probably so.
And actually wait for a confirmed good cross. I mean, sometimes they turn around too, but...
No, they haven't turned around once the alligators have confirmed. So, I mean, if we find a MACD that's crossing, and we know that the alligators have crossed with it, then I think we're safe.
Do they need to be coming out of overbought or oversold?
Probably. Yeah, good double crosses are usually coming out of... They're usually not in the middle, because these are acting kind of funny. I don't see anything that's looking like that yet.
No, I'm going to go look at stocks because I'm in all currencies right now. But
I don't know, man. I'm kind of getting nervous about this. I was doing really good a bit ago. Now it seems like... Well, I was just looking for what looked good, and then I was just going over here and looking at myself and going, "What is this doing it? Is this alligator cross real or is it fake?" Like look at CAD JPY. It's getting ready to alligator cross. I think I could take it because it's probably going to the white line. It bounced off that bottom.
Okay, but the MACD is not coming out of... No, do not take this. No. Okay.
Right,
no,
but just imagine that I did. Imagine that I did because I think it's going to the white line.
Maybe, but this is a crazy looking, like, totally screwball chart.
That doesn't really matter to me. I mean,
because now the MACD is uncrossing. Now it's crossing again. It's kind of going back and forth. A lot of wicks on this. Now you now you would have probably lost it.
Well, no, not yet. But now it's straightening out for sure.
It's just going all kinds of ways. This is not fourth trade material.
Oh, that would have been close. That would have been close, but it would have been a win. Okay, that's good. Euro CHF. Okay, Euro CHF is... Look at Euro CHF, because it's actually starting to head down. It's a decent chart. There's not a MACD cross in this one, necessarily.
No, but this could go either way. It could just be two red candles and go back up.
Right.
Or it could
I guess
just
it could
be going
MACD
down.
cross, because its second alligator is crossing right, almost getting ready to cross right now. It's doing a pretty good one, actually.
This is one where, I mean, you could bank on a third red candle on the 1 minute, or,
What do you think? I mean, I don't know. It's not crossing down yet. I'm going to see what I would think. I think...
See, it's getting too close to the white line for my comfort.
Well, just alligator crossed. And it could, you're right, this one could just pop up because it's in kind of an uptrend.
Yeah, it's in an uptrend. It doesn't... There's nothing about it that would make me feel comfortable risking.
The MACD cross is weak when it's in the middle like that. It's not really coming out of oversold. The MACD didn't cross at all, actually, to be honest. But that one looked like it could possibly have been something. But that was a fakie.
Yeah.
That was a fake. Okay, so we just got to slow down a little bit and really confirm that these are really going to do what they're going to do. Because that one's holding still now. GBP JPY.
GBP JPY?
Yeah, look at that one.
Yeah, that's the one I'm on. MACD is touching, now not touching, now close together. Like it's ready to cross, but who knows if it will.
Yeah, well, it's going up. And is it out over?
It's probably gonna cross in this candle if it's going to. So,
well, it's almost alligator crossing, but it's kind of flat. This one scares me. Okay, hold on. Is the MACD gonna cross at this candle?
I don't know. It's going back and forth. So
this is a downtrend. I don't think
this is nothing that I would take.
Yeah,
this is nothing I would have taken. And no, I mean,
no.
I doubt that this is going to go up more than about 3 or 4 candles at the most, if it does. And there's not a lot of pressure to it.
No,
there's not a lot.
The alligator cross is very sideways.
Yeah.
Let's see. Hold on. The alligator just crossed, and I'm going to pretend that I'm not taking it, but I'm going to pretend if I would have taken the.
Yeah, the MACD just sort of crossed, but in this candle.
There. I'm going to pretend I took it. I don't think this one would win.
Now it's kind of going down. It's red right now, so.
Because of the pattern right before it, I feel pretty nervous about this one. But we got an alligator cross and a MACD cross right here.
All right. I'm going to look at stocks.
That one would have won, dude.
You think so?
Oh, I know so. I'm looking at it. It's huge. Massive. So far, 20 seconds. It's still going up. Okay, it's going back down. Hold on.
Boeing. Look at Boeing.
Hold on. I just want to see if this would have won.
Why don't we live in the now? Look at Boeing.
Because I got to know what this would do.
What it would do,
it would have won. It would have won. It would have won.
Okay.
It was a confirmed double cross and a confirmed. Okay, Boeing is alligator cross down. What is it going to do?
It's on 3 red candles. It's headed towards a white line. The MACD is not crossed yet.
But it's in position to.
But it's getting into position. I mean, this is one where,
Yeah, I don't know. This one could be a fake one. In terms of mine, it's kind of crossing over kind of narrowly. It's just crossed through the second red line.
It's going slow, but doesn't have a whole lot of force.
The MACD hasn't crossed yet. We got no momentum for that to happen yet, which makes me think it could go either way. Although if the MACD opens really hard right now, like if it just starts going, I should probably take it. But I don't think it will. I think it's...
No, it's kind of going back and forth right here. I'm going to look for something else.
Well, no, wait. We got everything's lined up. Watch it. Okay, the MACD is going down. That's going down. I don't know. This one still looks kind of suspect. But we're about to have a MACD cross. But I don't know that there's enough down pressure.
There's not a lot of down pressure. It's just crossing because it's gradually getting there. It's not forcefully crossing. It's not going to...
Well, the alligators have already crossed, and the MACD is already just barely touching. I think it's going to turn around, probably. Yeah.
I'm looking at other charts because I think there's probably some far better charts. Look at McDonald's. Is that kind of like stepping up? It's in an uptrend.
Well, it's already way above. I can't confirm nothing on that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not. It's already way above.
And you're in 15-second candles. So.
Euro NCD, yeah.
How is that switching on your dad's account? Is it switching at the same time, or is it?
No, I have to go to it.
Oh, you have to actually go to it.
Actually switch to it. Yeah, I don't know. That's crazy looking. That's not. Huh. Yeah, some of these look like crazy in one.
Twitter is a nice waterfall, but
go to. Oh, come on.
Twitter is one where I'd tell you to take the next candle, but...
Oh, crap. Really?
Yeah, but you're running out of time. You got 10 seconds, and I don't,
Well, it's just going down. I got nothing on that one. Euro CHF, though, looks like it could be a double cross sometime in the future.
Yeah, we'd probably win this one. I don't know.
Twitter?
Yeah. Well, maybe. Maybe not.
Twitter's just wide open on my end, so I mean, there's no confirmation that it's.
Yeah, we'd be winning another downfall here. That's the thing. So can we not get involved with these? If you're,
I
in
don't
that
know.
method?
If you feel like it, we can. I mean, can we?
Okay, you're getting a MACD cross on Visa right now, but it's kind of a wackadoo chart. I mean.
Okay, well, hold on. Let me look and see what we got. Yeah.
Now it's kind of going. Yeah, this candle is just sort of a doji right now. It's like.
Yeah, that hasn't crossed yet, and it looks like.
And
it's
it looks
returning.
like it's not going to. Yeah.
In fact, we probably win the put on this, like, easy. But I'm not gonna chance that. In fact, yeah, there's the cross, but but it's going down. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. I think we shouldn't get involved in those. I think we should just stick with the one method for now.
The only problem is we're having trouble with this right now.
Well, just a little bit. We're getting more trouble if we start mixing them up and start losing more trades.
Well, we're on a fourth trade.
We're super focused. No, I think we're on a third trade. No, we're on a fourth. Crap,
we're
on
a
trade.
Fourth, yes.
Euro CHF. Euro CHF, that's not going to be down. Well, I wasn't having trouble earlier. CAD CHF. I'm just going to kind of do my thing. Tell you when I'm ready. Oh, man.
In our normal method, I'd tell you to take the next candle on Cisco, but unless we're at a line. But, man, this got a lot of good up pressure to it.
Yeah? I don't know.
Well, it's kind of broken out, you know.
Yeah, kind of has. You never know what's going to happen with that one.
You don't, yeah. Well, McDonald's started to look like the MACD was about to cross, and then it started going back up.
You missed a big MACD cross on CAD JPY.
I'm not looking at currencies. Let me go back over.
Oh, yeah, that would have been a massive win. Well. Oh, wait,
yeah, that's sort of climbing. You could actually take the next candle on that.
CHF. Euro CHF is, well, no, it's MACD crossing, but it's not confirming it really. The alligators have already crossed.
I want to see if you'd win. I guarantee you'd win the next candle on that.
On which one?
CAD JPY. Or at least I believe you would. I mean, it's.
Oh yeah. It wicked down though.
Yeah, it did. Now it's going back up.
CAD JPY. Yeah, it's. All right, so what should I do, bro? Just keep looking for the cross. Yeah, you were right about that.
I was, yeah. Well, Euro GBP is a bunch of dojis right now, but it's probably going to it's going to start coming down now in any time. It's kind of rounding off, but I think it's going to end up going down because the MACD is rounded out.
Okay, yeah, that one actually is starting to cross through. It's trying to get through. Yeah, you might have one on that one.
I feel like you could take a 2-minute right now and win this, but I don't know.
Well,
MACD is coming hard next to each other. This is a big candle that broke down. I don't know. I hope that doesn't retract.
Me too, but it was actually going. It's actually crossing, and it's been wanting to cross. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. My alligators are crossing like big time, bro.
The MACD is about to touch. So, yeah, it's coming down. So, I just hope we can get through that line. Going to start a new candle here in just a few seconds, in about 10 seconds.
On this one?
Yeah, you're kind of low on this one. It's still holding pretty strong near it. So, and it's through it. So,
alligators are crap. Come on. This is going to be a nail biter right here. Come on.
Oh yeah. Oh crap. No, I don't want the retraction. I want it to force down. Come on.
Come on. We got 6 seconds. Come on. There you go. Come on. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay. So this gives me some questions here.
This is harder than it. This is harder with you. This is harder than it was when it was.
Okay. Do we enter on the MACD? We kind of got to make a decision. Do we enter on? When did it cross over? At what point did it cross over on your end? Probably when it was higher up. See, because by the time you entered, it was kind of a big candle. I mean, it was a big candle that was kind of retracted.
Yeah. So, when you look at where I'm at. I should have. So if I would have waited till the MACD crossed right here, boom, the MACD just crossed.
Hold on, I'm not looking at you. Hang on. Okay, go ahead.
The MACD just crossed, just there, like kind of a candle before. We might have lost this one because the alligators. Well, no, this one's gonna win, dude. This one would have won if I would have waited a little bit, and then the MACD really crossed. So the MACD really crossed, but the alligators were already crossed. The alligators were giving me some good signal. That's why I entered. But they. Let me see. I don't know if this is.
So do you think it's one or the other? Or
I don't know. I got to think about it. Maybe we should stop live trading on our actual full accounts.
Yeah.
And just let me have some more, practice time where we can practice together because there's something about the way I was doing it earlier. I was just feeling it, and I was just seeing the setup in the alligator, and then just making sure that So the MACD is looking like it's going to cross, but I don't think I was waiting for the MACD to cross because once the MACD crosses, the alligator's already way crossed. The alligator precurses the MACD. So
it does,
yes. Euro GPY, it's probably heading back up from here.
Euro what?
Euro GPY. I think I'm more heavily relying on the alligators and what they're doing. I'm just looking at the MACD for confirmation to say if the MACD's completely nowhere near crossing or just going the wrong direction, then I'm okay, that's probably going to be a fake alligator. That's all I'm looking for. I'm entering on the alligator. So I think I'm entering on the alligator, but I'm using the MACD's position to kind of like odd NZD for right now. Odd NZD. I'm going to change my amount to $2. Odd NZD looks like it's going down with the alligators. It also looks like it could cross with the MACD and the overall.
Yeah, the MACD's kind of the yellow line is cricked towards the blue, but it's not.
Right.
Yeah,
it's not.
So
not
right now
yet.
there's some level of force, but it also looks like it could keep consolidating here.
Yeah, but if this green line goes through right here,
now it's touching. Now it's touching. So you could take it from right here if it's going to go
but the
down.
alligator hasn't crossed yet. The alligator's now retracting on my end, so I got to wait. The alligator is the MACD looks pretty good at this point. If this alligator goes through,
see the MACD is already starting to cross.
Well, I just took that prematurely. I should have probably.
You should have taken it while it was green up there, and you would have had our position.
I can't though because I'm waiting for the alligator to cross.
See, now you've lost that position entirely, and then you're way above it.
No, but the alligator is going down. The MACD wasn't really crossing. MACD hasn't really crossed yet. The alligator is. I might still win this trade actually because the alligator
it could shoot down there, but it's
it will shoot down because the alligator is trying to get through the second line. It keeps touching it and going up and touching it and going up. So okay, now it's a total rejection.
Yeah,
it's a total rejection. Hold on. So that's a total rejection. So I'm gonna change my trade.
Unless it turns and shoots through there. It's got 7 seconds. 4 seconds.
No, but I think what happened was the MACD didn't really do anything. And
I was hoping not to get into another live trade and end up losing, but you entered, so.
Well, let's just do it because that's how we do it. Odd JPY. Let's talk about this really intently. Odd JPY. Okay, odd JPY is in the same kind of scenario. Is it gonna go down? I think what I've been doing, I've been looking at it going, is that going down? Is it
okay? Now it's starting to cross, but I don't know. It's like consolidating.
What, odd JPY?
No, hold on. Odd JPY. Okay.
See, I think what's going to happen is
what's the next trade now?
450. Look at this. Here's what I was doing. Odd JPY is crossing down. Okay, the MACD is kind of crossing. The red line is kind of the line is kind of crossing. I think it's going to go to the white line and get rejected. And I think that because it already crossed and now it's kind of a fake weak MACD cross. So I would probably call this as soon as it bottoms out. That's what I was doing on my own. I was going, okay, this looked like it was going to go down, right? And it crossed.
You immediately took the reversal?
Well, yeah, because right now my alligators have crossed, but they're cricking back, and the MACD crossed, but it kind of like didn't open. It crossed like real weakly. And the pattern to this chart says it's going up. It's in an uptrend. So as soon as this cricks up, I should probably just call it. If it doesn't crick down.
I don't know about that.
Well, because now the MACD is going down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I mean, just because it's not going one way doesn't necessarily mean it's going the other. Could be consolidating.
The alligator is telling me that it's really weakly going down, so it isn't probably going to go down. But the alligator is saying that it's consolidating right here, but the next move is going to be retraction off the white line. That's what I think. At least that's what I've been doing. I've been watching these and trying to figure out how. Because right now I would think that the MACD was going to cross on this one, and when it didn't, I would immediately think, okay, well that was wrong. So what's the other option? It's going to bounce off the white line and go up. And right now it's kind of going down. You know.
Go to Cisco. Could you?
Cisco. Yeah. Let's talk about Cisco. Because dude, if we just talk about these, we'll win. Okay, Cisco's going down, dude. Cisco's about to double cross down in.
Yeah, I think if you're going to call it or do it like up here, like now, but yeah.
Can I wait till it confirms the cross? Because if it does, then I'm in. There, it crossed just now.
Okay, there we go.
It
now
double
it's shooting
crossed.
down.
Okay, what I got from you
the
was...
MACD is like so close, it's like practically crossed.
I will win this one, dude. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's use our brains.
Switch to 1 minute and look at that real quick.
I'm looking at it in 1 minute. Yeah. If you look at me and say, if you
That's
tell me, dude,
minute.
I think this next candle is going to be red, and I'm looking at it going, yeah, because the alligators are getting ready to cross, then we could just go enter, as long as we think that we're surely right. Because I don't think this is going to retract. I think this is going to win. Now that MACD didn't cross, so that worries me.
Yeah.
But it's 5 seconds. Okay, so I think it'll cross now. This will tell us if we live or die. There it is. We're going to win this one. See? Because the MACD made its little cross, and I only got 12 seconds left.
It did, yeah. As long as it doesn't... as long as it pushes down hard.
It's farting around, but, I mean, I think it's going to win. So there we go. That's what I was doing by myself. I was using all of my, chart analysis in my brain with what the overall 1 minutes look like based on... The alligators also look like if they're the alligators were crossing through at that moment. So I could tell you for sure, yeah, I'm pretty sure we're going to get some down pressure. If they were not crossing through, I would not have believed that would be down pressure.
How many wins do we have then today?
So, dude, we have 3 wins right now, I think, right?
Okay, did we win our first one, then lose 3, then win the fourth? Did we win the very first one?
I thought we won we won the first one.
Okay.
Then we lost 3. Then we won that one. Then we won that one. So that's 3 wins. Okay.
What is this? Okay.
I don't know who's watching today. Oh, we got some watchers. Okay. I haven't been looking at the...
If you're watching today, give us a thumbs up in the comments or say hi. Say something. Let us know where you're watching from.
Wi-Fi, I guess, went to sleep.
Did he?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because he said goodnight.
Oh. Well, it may be late there,
Okay, so that's 3 wins. I mean, dude, that's not bad. That's not bad, dude. We haven't, I mean, I think I got a little bit, CAD JPY, what's that one looking like? I got to get my monitor looking.
Good night, Wi-Fi.
Oh, CAD JPY, dude. Look at it. Do you think that's going down? I actually do. I actually think by the alligators, this is getting ready to go down. But we got to act soon because it's going down.
It is going to go down. The MACD isn't quite touching it, but it's rounded out. If you're going to take it, then we lost the last one, didn't we? Or did we? Are we on a second trade?
Are you kidding me? We won the last one, dude.
Oh, we did. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Okay, so this is what I was doing. The MACD isn't confirmed yet, but the MACD is dang confirmed. I mean, dang well on.
What I don't like is that this gives you a little bit lower position than entering right at the candle, because now it's farting around right at the last part of the last candle, just above your line, as where.
Yeah, but the pressure is down. I mean, I know what you mean, but if I wait till the next
I know what
candle,
you're saying.
then I could
like
get
maybe
a whole
I should tell you, like, if you're going to enter, then I should tell you, like, okay, you're at the bottom of this candle, enter now, like, because now
dang,
we are going to lose this one because
why? No,
maybe not. If it shoots through.
Come on, there we go. Oh!
Okay, that was a hair. We won it by a freaking hair.
Yeah, well, I mean, we still won it.
We did. That counts.
In fact, we could win another one if this double cross actually happens. Do you think the double cross is actually going to happen? It didn't happen yet. I don't know that it will. Actually, I'm not sure that it will. I think it might be over.
Might be over. It maybe never was going to happen. Because now it's just launching up.
So that was like pre-double cross, but based on the alligator, and I still got a pretty okay position. I know it must look like crazy on your end, but when I enter, I'm not looking at the 1 minute candles to enter. I'm looking at the alligator to enter because I'm looking at the moment that I think that down pressure is for real, you know? And
we do not trade Forex Wi-Fi. Thank you for asking.
I thought Wi-Fi went to sleep.
Yeah, he asked us if we trade Forex. No, we don't.
Euro CHF, dude. Look at Euro CHF. It just double crossed. Do you think this is going down? That's the thing about this one. Do you think this looks like it's a put?
It's a big no. This is crazy. I mean, it could be, but it is massively just consolidating. Like two giant out of nowhere, a green one, then a red one. Yeah, it could fall from here, but who knows what it's going to do because these candles are really just
right, and it's been like candles. Crisscrossing, and the alligators have been crisscrossing. So this would actually probably be a call from down here if I was thinking of it. Do we have this, dude? Are we actually learning this? Do we know what we're doing yet?
I don't know because we're still working out the kinks here. Because, dude, on my end, it looks like, dude, we just got a worse position. On my end, it looks like we're getting like on candles that we would normally be entering on just by our instinct and what we thought was going to happen. It looks like we're just getting a worse position because I feel like if there's even the chance that you're going to enter, I should be telling you like when to enter on my end, like, because in the 1 minute we're getting at the bottom of the candle as you're entering like a few seconds after the next candle starts, and then it retracts, and now we're above it.
Well, okay, yeah. Tell me, don't enter. Tell me, get ready. Okay, so odd CHF OTC. Let's see what that looks.
You don't have to say OTC. That just confuses me. That's just too many letters.
CHF.
They're all in OTC.
Odd CHF isn't going anywhere. Never mind. It's just kind of farting around. The alligator indicator, I think, is changing the way we're trading, though, for sure. I mean, even though
it's giving you a signal of strength, yeah, like
right. It's telling me like
telling you about momentum. I think.
Yeah, it is. That means Euro USD. No, I don't know if I have any more. We can just quit now. Go do something else.
Quit now. Go do something else.
Yeah. I mean, we've already.
How many wins do we have?
Look at NZD-JPY. I should call this, dude. In fact.
NZD-JPY. I don't see it. NZD. Okay. All right. Hold on.
It's
at the white line. It's retracting from it.
But wait, if it crosses, I've got. Yeah, I don't know yet. Hold on. I'm gonna wait for the 1 minute candle to end.
It's just bouncing back and forth. No, this is not. No, do not take this. Do not take this.
Okay, because it could retract, couldn't it?
It is retracting. It's now red on my end, and it's below the white line.
Oh, yeah.
It's fallen like massively.
So should I put it?
Not necessarily, because it could consolidate here. It looks like it's going to consolidate. I mean, it could consolidate.
Yeah, I don't know what it's going to do. It's been going sideways. Sorry. Okay, that was a little bit of an excitement there. A little excitement, folks. GBPJPY is crossing.
As long as you don't, get ahead of me. I feel like the
GBPJPY is nothing. I really want to quit having to switch back and forth. But then again, I like to be able to see them myself. Yeah. Oddcat is just... Odd JPY. Is it double crossing?
Odd JPY?
No.
It is... No.
No.
It's at a white line, and...
Oh, yeah. Well, it's at a white line. It's probably going to bounce.
It could... I mean, it kind of tapped the line and then kind of shied away from it.
Yeah. Never know what that thing's going to do. All right, so if I can just find double... Maybe I should just find double crosses first and then go look and see if they're actually... I mean, this is a lot more work.
Okay, now CAD CHF could go up from here. Could, because it's kind of broken through the white line now.
Okay.
The MACD is not crossed yet, but what?
CAD CHF. Yeah, that's just what I think it's going to do. But, I mean, it's already
There's a big green candle, though. So, like, it's just shooting up with a lot of force.
It's been shooting up, and it's probably going up to that line. But if we'd have to get a double cross on this, it'd have to be real. It's kind of fake, I think.
Well, the size of that candle, the way it shot up so fast and so big, is just probably manipulating the MACD. Yeah, that's why it kind of bounced down. So I don't know if it's going to keep going.
I think it is going up, but I'm not going to take it because I think if I was alone, I might have nabbed that one because it looks like it's so strong, and I think it's going up to that line. And that's how I was winning today by myself. I was using gut instinct.
Well, that's what I do alone, and I usually win a lot. So
Right. So like that one would have probably been a win. Now I'm not going to take it, but CAD JPY. Oh, CAD JPY, dude. Look at CAD JPY and tell me if you think it's actually... I mean, it's kind of a farting around, but it's actually overbought. And
why are we in all currencies today? Yeah,
well, that's just what I'm in. Do you think
this looks like down? It's kind of in a consolidation line, so I'm not sure. Okay. I mean, it's weird looking. It could. It looks like it could, but it's not broken out of that line, so it's gutsy to take it. And the MACD cross has already happened.
Yeah, right. It's kind of like...
Yeah, it's in a range of...
Yeah, the alligators are gutsy on that.
And now it's going up, so...
Yeah. What is this? CHF JPY. Is that one? That one's about ready to tank.
CHF JPY. I don't see it. It's supposed to be way down here. It's 79%.
Yeah, I don't know if that one's going down, dude. I don't know. That one's not... I'm not sure about that one. I mean, it is going down.
All right, I'm going over to the stocks.
Okay, I'll go with you.
I'm not leaving there.
All of these.
I'm done with currencies because I feel like I'm not done with them, but I've been through them all like 100 times, and I'm just like...
Let's go to stocks then. I'll go with you.
And I feel like I'm missing out on what I could be finding over here.
I have to open up all the stocks on both screens, so that's why I was just staying in currencies. It's harder to close all these down in two screens.
Okay, like Johnson & Johnson is about to... It's kind of a weird looking chart, very volatile.
Is it about to go up?
Well, yeah, it could be. I mean, this candle, there's been like 3 dojis, and now this one's growing a little bit.
Yeah, it's about ready to cross through the second red line, and I think it could go up, but it doesn't have... Yeah, I think we could probably call it. You want me to call this one?
First trade.
Yeah. Is it gonna cross?
Yeah, wait. Hold on a second.
Wait till it crosses. Okay. I'm gonna wait till it. If it doesn't double cross,
I don't know. It's
kind of fake. It faked it last time. Look how it faked it last time.
Yeah, it's got a lot of wicks. Now it's dropping. Yeah, I would abort this mission here. This could go up, but I don't know. It didn't cross, and now it's dropping down. So
yeah, it faked. It's in a downtrend.
Yeah, I'm glad you didn't call that because.
Well, I'm gonna start being a little more cautious because I want to know what you really feel. Not just what the indicators say, but like what you really feel about it. Because that's how I trade on my own. I've been just going by feel. Like I'm really convinced. And if you're like, I don't know, I'm not super convinced, then we probably shouldn't take it, just because we're only gonna have 4 deep going into this coming week.
Right.
So we got to be really careful. And I don't know about winning 10 trades. Like, oh wait, but Johnson & Johnson might double cross now. But it's so narrow.
It's just bouncing and it's just wicking. There's a lot of wicks.
Yeah.
I don't know. There's something about it that scares me. So
it doesn't want to cross. So well, it's starting to open up now. There's the opening. But I think because of this pattern, I don't know. I don't believe it. The pattern on this is too janky. I think we could win it, but maybe. See, I don't see as much happening in the stocks, dude. McDonald's just crossed up. But
Johnson & Johnson did cross up.
Yeah, but we weren't convinced. McDonald's is kind of doing the same thing. It's about ready to kind of cross up. It kind of crossed up. I precursored. I mean, I've got alligators on McDonald's right now. They're crossed, and they're heading up.
Yeah, it's about to. The MACD is about to cross on it, but there's a line right up there. Whether or not it's going to break that, I don't know. It's already almost at it, so now it uncrossed. So no, I wouldn't take it. Now it's kind of coming together.
It's got a massive
again.
wick on it. There, so let's say. I think it wants to hit that line. Yeah, I know. It's
kind of already.
Turn around. It can turn around.
Alibaba's kind of in a downtrend.
MACD's wide open though. Oh man, Visa's just tanking. I don't know, man. I don't think I can trust that. It'd be nice to get into these surfing scenarios and just.
Okay, here's one. Like on American Express.
Yeah.
You could probably put this for 1 minute in about 6 seconds.
You don't think it's going up? Dude, I have no confirmation of that. I mean, other than that, it's just going down. I mean, that would have won, right?
It would have massively won, yeah. But that's why. I'm going to send you a picture. Okay?
I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it right
now. Yeah, but you're not looking at what I'm looking at.
I am. I'm looking at 1 minute candles.
Yes, but I'm looking at the alligator in 1 minute.
Oh. Well, heck, dude, that's a whole nother level of crazy.
Okay, so there. That's what I see right there. Okay.
Oh, okay. So the alligator crossed. Yeah, dude. Does that work?
Well, it just did. I don't know.
What do I have Facebook open here? Okay. Well, it just did, but I wasn't seeing that. But that looked pretty awesome, though. Are you not looking at your moving averages?
I just flipped over to alligator mode because I wanted to see. And then when I saw that, I thought, yeah, that was like the perfect setup that I was using last night. Like as soon as that happens, it's basically what happens in yours. The lines come together, that turquoise line shoots through there.
So, I mean, you could just put the 1 minute alligator on and wait for the double cross and the 1 minute alligator, couldn't you?
Yeah, I mean, you could. I mean, it's kind of the same thing.
Alibaba's going to go up, bro. Possibly.
I'm on Alibaba. Yeah.
You think it's going up? It's getting ready to cross through. My alligator's getting ready to cross through right now, and the MACD is getting ready to cross. I mean, you think it's going up from here?
Yeah, I mean, I have no confirmation in the charts, but I mean, yeah, it's likely gonna go up from here. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it could.
Well, it looked like the MACD was gonna cross.
I mean, it's a downtrend, but the MACD is not crossing now. But we'll see what happens.
Well, yeah, I don't know. That it shot down like right when I got ready to enter, but I thought, you know what, it's fighting to go up, and it wants to go up.
Yeah, it's fighting to go up. So, I mean, as long as it keeps going up, you got a good position. So, it's kind of going up now.
Do you think we can win 10 of these without going 4 deep?
It depends. Time will tell here.
I mean, I think it's worth a try because of how fast you win. I mean, that's obviously
Crap.
Not good.
Come on. Really? Come on.
I think it's still going up. There, it's winning now, right? Where's it at?
Oh yeah. We got it.
There we go. That was okay. So the MACD's going to cross.
Okay, now here's what I want you to do. I'm looking at this. If this goes up, the MACD is about to cross now. So if you wanted to take another call right now, you probably could.
I want to take trades, bro. You know.
Okay. Well, you just took a call on the anticipation of a MACD cross.
Okay.
So we're going to see what happens.
Like
I'm looking at.
Are you looking at the alligators in the 1 minute? I mean,
I'm looking at the alligators. They haven't crossed over. That's going to be a whole other story when they do. The MACD is crossing as this candle goes up. So if this candle keeps pulling up, we're going to win another trade.
Oh, and the alligators are turning. I see what they're doing.
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Come on.
Alligators are turning. I see what they're doing now. That's at the bottom of consolidation, so that's not bad.
Okay, now the alligators are turning up.
The MACD crossed, dude.
MACD crossed. This is a big candle. Boom. Okay. Now, you could probably go ahead. When that drops down, you could probably take...
because the alligators are crossing, too.
The alligators are about to cross. Yeah, so... But
it's at a white line, a really hard white line, and it's bouncing off the white line. Do you want to wait, or do you think that it's going through? Do you want to wait for it to confirm?
I'm going to turn on my white line. Okay, so it's gone through it now, but let's see what happens. It's either going to bounce off of it. Okay, my lines are cricking really hard, but we're going to see what's happening. Because this alligator, okay, if this alligator shoots through, you can take another call.
It's already through the bottom line. I'm watching it. So
you're not watching the 1 minute alligator.
I am now.
Right, but your numbers are different than mine.
Oh,
I have them set. Mine are my numbers are 13. Yeah, well, I'm not going to read them.
Don't read it to me yet. Should we?
Okay, my numbers are set for a 1 minute. They're better for 1 minute.
Just tell me when to take it. If to take it.
If to take it. Hold on. Yeah. I don't know because it's dropping back, but it's still kind of fighting to go up. It's still got up pressure. So.
But you need the alligator to actually confirm.
I need the alligator to cross through, and when it does.
Yeah, once it does, then
I'm going to tell you to, or if it does. How many wins did we just get?
I don't know. What's your alligator set at?
My alligator numbers?
Yeah.
Hold on. So mine are.
Because I don't think this is going up.
Okay, mine are 13. Hold on. Let me just read them to you. Mine are set at 13, 8, 9, 5, 6, and 2.
Oh, gosh, why?
13, 8, 9, 5, 6, and 2.
Okay. It changed it a little bit. So if that alligator would have crossed through that second alligator line, then you would have said take it?
Yeah, if they all, kind of like in yours. Yeah, if they all point up, if they intersect.
Because they still might. I mean, they still
could, yeah.
So do you wait until, because it takes a little longer, right? So
Yeah, if they all intersect, what are your numbers still set at? Are they still set for 15 seconds, or are you still in the...
I've got my dad's account set up for this 1 minute deal. So I set the alligators to what you just said. So I can look at them if I want to.
Gotcha. Okay.
I'm not going to look at them in general, but I'm seeing right now that they're not doing it. Okay.
So I'm going to leave these on. I mean, it's actually
shut them off. Okay. Actually, for finding waterfalls, they might be really brilliant.
Oh, they do. Yeah, they will show you a trend really well.
Like a waterfall, like they'll show you the start of a waterfall. Like
like go to Twitter with those on right now. You should probably change your colors and have each one a different color.
Why?
So that you can see them all, because you need to see them intersect. I mean, I guess it's the same thing, but
I'll change them to the same colors. I got the other one, the blue and the red. I'll change them to...
So Twitter, if you look at it in Twitter, do you see Twitter?
Uh-huh.
Wait, how are you? Oh, you're in 15 seconds. Okay.
No, I'm in 1 minute. I see Twitter.
That's not the same thing.
Oh, I know. I'm looking at another screen, bro. I'm looking at another screen. Here's my 1 minute. Here's my 1 minute Twitter candles.
Okay, yeah, there you go. See how that's about to cross through?
So you think this could be you think that could be a downtrend? And it looks like, oh crap, the moving averages are... It's hard to see with that. So the moving averages, yeah, I mean, yeah, dude, look at the MACD and the stochastic. They're pointing down. It's at a white line right now.
Yeah.
So if it goes through this white line, it's at the white line right now.
Yeah.
If that green line pierces through that second red alligator, you think we could take a put?
Yeah.
For 2 minutes, or is it
1 minute? I mean, if you know...
Because this could fall. This could fall all the way to here.
Yeah.
It's probably rejecting off the white line.
Right. I've got my white line on too, which kind of adds a little bit of confusion since I've got two white lines, but one's thinner than the other. So,
I have to turn some of those off, dude. I can't see. I got to look at one at a time. Yeah, it's not breaking through the white line. We got five wins on this session, and we only went to a fourth trade once when we were being morons, because we got win, loss, win, 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 win. We've won 4 in a row now.
Okay, you're about to get a MACD cross on Netflix.
Yeah, we've
on the downside.
Okay, yeah, let me check Netflix. You think it's gonna go down?
Very possibly.
Sucker.
It looks like it's sort of turning, but it could go back up. It just depends. I'm not convinced, but
yeah, it already passed through, and now it's wanting to go back up.
Now it's wanting to go back up.
Momentum is sort of going, but I don't know. I mean, it might.
It's kind of coming back now, so who knows?
I don't know, but if this, okay, I'm already passed through. So if this opens,
if it does, then in 7 seconds.
Okay, I'm watching it now in 1 minute. So if this opens, I can take it, because I'm in. That's a decent MACD cross with a confirmation. If you look at my screen, you can see the alligators where they're at. I mean, they're definitely...
That was a pretty good opening, actually.
Yeah, that was. And it's kind of heading towards the white line. I wonder what the alligators look like on this one. Yeah, well, the alligators are starting to turn. So this might be able to confirm... when we find like a big long entry, like we could find a big trend surf like this, dude. If this alligator in the 1 minute started opening and going down and it really crossed over, we might be able to win like 2 or 3 more trades or 5 more trades on this.
Well, we got several right off that one, didn't we? Or did we?
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
This is not good. 16 seconds.
Shoot up.
Come on, baby. Come on. No. Come on. You sucker.
That was a good MACD opening too.
And it was underneath too. I mean, it was way underneath. That's unfortunate, because that actually, all right, 450 is the next.
So it's consolidating. So.
What the freak? Well, that was a good MACD opening.
It's going to consolidate here. So. If that flips way up, I'd take a 1 minute. Or you could take a call from here, but it may go back down. So if it goes anywhere, it's going down. So I would only ever. Which I'm not gonna suggest taking other oddball trades, but
yeah, well we're on a second trade. Like right now, Yeah, I mean, it could go down, but I mean, I wouldn't take a put on the bottom of this big red candle, would you?
No, I would not.
I mean,
no, if anything, I would have put it from up at the top because I think it's consolidating. And I think if it breaks out anywhere, it's going to go down rather than up.
Right. Yeah,
but I would have only
go down. This is where Christian would take like 4 puts. He would just put because he thinks it's going down. Yeah, because he thinks it's going down, but he's not there yet. So when he loses that one, he just starts hitting the put button again, and he just waits till it goes down. That's what he was doing, dude. The way he's pushing, he's waiting for like at the top of this green candle. I could take a flip flop on this.
Yeah, I think you could take a put at the top of this. If it goes all the way back up, and if it's squared with that other one, then you know this is a consolidation, and you know that next one's going down. So I would have no problem taking a second trade at the top of that candle. If it reaches the top of that red one, or even higher, then I would have no problem taking a put on that. I don't know that it's going to go up that high, but it might.
It's starting to go through the bottom red. Now it's starting to hit down. It's got a lot of down pressure.
Yeah, I think if it gets to the middle of this candle, you could take a put.
Just take it? Yeah.
Yeah, I think you probably could.
That's ballsy, but
that is ballsy, but I mean,
my indicators are kind of going up now. But I mean, do we believe that it's faking down? I mean, it looks like it's going down. What are we doing? We ain't supposed to be taking the ballsy trades.
No, we're not. But
okay, it's going slow. It's going up. Is it going to go down? It wants to go down.
I wanted to get at the top of that, but we didn't get there. So we're just gonna have to hope that this will go.
Man, that's crazy. It's jumping all over the place.
Yeah, but that might be a new high of this consolidation. I don't know. I'm thinking it's going down overall. So
17, come on. Man, it keeps my 1 minute candles are just jumping and jumping, like in the money, out of the money. Bam, down, up, bam, down, up. I mean,
there you go. Push down, push down, push down, push down, push down. There you go. There you go. There. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. You got it. All right. There we go.
All right.
You got it.
We're crazy. That's 6 wins, man.
Yeah.
See, hold on. I was trying to do a little happy dance for us. I got so many screens open now. Let's see if my computer will even do it. Here we go. Whether you're listening on live stream or whether you're watching on YouTube, I think I'm going to take a break, and we're at 6 trades in on this session. We're in an hour and a half. This has been a pretty good thing. I think we'll have to talk about what we want to do next. I mean, I don't know. I think that was pretty successful. It was a win, loss, loss, loss. That was us trying to figure out what we were doing. And then we had 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we have 5 wins in a row?
Really? Okay. Whoa. Go to Boeing right now. Right now, go to Boeing.
Okay.
I want you to see what's happening here. Because, okay. Now, right now, they just broke through. Take a put right about, hold on. Let's see if this will bounce back a little bit.
Take a put?
Yeah, go ahead and...
Oh, I got to make my put $2. Let it get up there.
Okay, right now you're at the line, so if you take it now. Okay, there you go. Because the 1 minute, go to your 1 minute alligators.
Oh, my 1 minute alligators. Okay.
Yeah, I want you to see what I saw.
All right, here, let me pull this down here. 1 minute alligators. Oh yeah, they broke through.
So that just broke through, and
you think it's going? Okay, there's the 1 minute alligators. Here's what the 1 minute main alligators look like. They don't. I mean, the 15-second alligators look. I mean, it looks like it could, because it's just kind of going up and down. It's got a lot of down pressure. It's got a lot of down pressure.
Okay, so we just ended. This candle just ended below our put line.
Oh yeah, it's all cricking down. I think it's
so everything looks like it's going down. If that'll pull down and hold below, then we're gonna have.
I was trying to.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Good win.
That's what I'm talking about.
So that was a win on a 1 minute alligator.
That's exactly what it was. Yeah, that's all I went by.
It was a little bit narrow, but I almost think that
maybe it's, I don't know, maybe because it's a bit slower, maybe it is more accurate than the 15-second. I don't know.
Yeah, because the 15-second jumps all over the place. Anyway, if you're watching, that's 7 wins. I'll throw a little happy dance on here, and then I think we're going to take a break for tonight. Let's see, 7 wins. Two. That's waterfalling too, man.
Yeah, this is where we could jump in and take some wins if you wanted. But it's also towards a line, so I'm not sure if it's going to go past that.
We don't know, but we could watch it. I don't want to do any more because I need to take a break.
We need to take a big old $100 trade here to get back.
Yeah, I mean, we're doing pretty good. Let's just do the financials on this real quick, because then we can at least know where we're at. We're basically back. We're getting back in track. We're doing, dude. Okay, now we're doing pretty good. I think we have to start talking a lot more and really telling ourselves, like, so 642.92. We have to tell ourselves, like, what we really believe about this.
Mm-hmm.
We're at 642? 642.92. We were at 630. So we were at 642.92. So we made $12 on this level right here.
We did?
Yeah.
How many did we need?
We need 19.
Okay.
To get to the next level. That's level 4. But yeah. I think we're gonna redo this. Drop back, go to five fortifications. And
well, we only need $100 to do that, right? Or no, it depends on how much we're at. If we're using our full accounts.
No, we're gonna use our full accounts with 5 fortifications. So we're gonna have $52.
If we started with like $20, then
let's just do the whole thing. $55, $52, whatever it is. Whatever.
Or you could divide it into 6. Either way you want to do it.
Hey, the more we divide it, the more we have to win.
Well, 6 would still be our 12 trades.
Yeah, well, that's true.
We typically do a 12 trade session.
But I mean, dude, it's taken us an hour and 20 minutes to get these wins. I mean,
we started off we've gotten most of them in the last part of it because we were kind of getting in the swing of a.
So are we okay? So are we actually committed to a single method? I mean, we're looking for crossovers with these alligators and with the MACD. Now, what you just did was you did an alligator 1 minute and it worked. So, I mean, if we're committed to,
yeah, I think we need to stick with our 5 deep for this week.
Okay, you're probably right. We probably just need to keep going how we're going.
Yeah, because we need to make sure that we are, in line with each other, because we kind of did a combination of instinct and alligators. We used a lot of different things there.
But we only traded on crosses that were confirmed, like really serious crosses. And that's, I think, we can't just go, oh, look, this looks like it's going up,
Like, that first one, we won like 3 or 4 trades right in a row there. Like it started going up, like you had the alligators, and I was like, yeah, the MACD is going to confirm. So we took the first one. Then when the MACD crossed, we took it again. Then my 1 minute alligators crossed, then we took it again.
Well, that's true, and we can do that if we stick with alligator and MACD crosses. I'm okay with the 1 minute alligator. I'm okay with that because I see that actually setting up as a real indicator of a waterfall.
Yeah.
But I think that the averages have to be lined up too, and it has to be coming out oversold and overbought. Like we'll have to really confirm with the MACD and stochastic that those alligators aren't just because those alligators, if they're not confirmed with other indicators and other like analysis, those alligators can just turn around.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they can.
So I mean, I'm a little more nervous about the 1 minute alligator because I don't know what the confirmation is other than just our gut feeling.
I don't know. Try it out for a little bit.
Yeah, I'll try it out
on your own.
But like the 15-second alligator confirmed with the 1 minute MACD is clearly 2 confirmations. Even those will lose.
Okay, let me send you a picture of what not to trust on a 1 minute alligator because I see it right here on my screen. Oh, okay. Actually, you can just pull it up on Apple right now. Just like.
Okay.
Just look at Apple, and you'll see the example. I wish you had different colors because you've got red and green in there, and you should make them brighter colors so you can see so that people can see what's going on. It's kind of hard to see.
Oh, you want me to just make them bigger? Whatever.
Well,
what do I see? What do I not trust on this?
Is that your one minute?
Yeah, it's my 1 minute alligator. I mean, I can make 2 minutes. Well, you can't see them or something? I guess you can't see them.
Well, make them brighter colors. Like, make your colors brighter.
Why? Okay,
look at how intertwined they are there. See that?
Okay, right. They're no. Yeah, I mean, you don't know if they're gonna. You kind of have to look at the chart beyond this and go, okay, this is
especially the way they end. Make that bigger there so everybody can see it. Yeah, look at that. That's kind of
when they're all jacked up.
That just looks like a plate of spaghetti.
Yeah. Yeah, the 1 minute alligator's not my favorite, but if you feel like you're good with them, then I mean, it's mostly
well, it's not
gut.
your favorite because you just found out about it like 10 minutes ago.
Right. My 15-second alligators are very clear to me. I mean, I can look at them.
They also turn around a lot.
I can look at them almost now. I mean, I'm not trying to brag or anything. Make myself sound awesome. But the more you look at them, you can actually almost tell when they're going to turn around. Like I've taken a bunch of retraction or turnaround trades with them because if they go down and then they like fart around a minute and start to go back up.
Look at American Express and the 1 minute alligators. Look at those. Okay.
Oh, I keep shutting them down. Hold on. American Express, 1 minute alligator. Okay, that's crazy.
Yeah. So, I mean, just like all the others, you got to learn to...
Well, it's like, okay, but back here on American Express in 1 minute, it went down with a lot of force, hit down again. If you would have taken that trade, you would have won big time.
Which one?
In American Express, before it got all tangled up, when it hit that high started
right
turning.
there, yeah.
But you also had a MACD cross right there, too. You had a MACD cross, you had a stochastic cross. They started crossing later. They crossed later, and then if you would have taken the trade like, where are they trailing to? They're trailing by a good amount. So you would have taken it back here. I just don't. Yeah, you would have taken it.
Okay, look at Pfizer right now. Look at it right now. It kind of crossed over earlier, but now it's just starting to spring up. You see that?
Right. Yeah, it's probably going up.
So now it's probably going up.
And it's got room to go. There's no support until up here. So let's look in. I'll just watch it and see. I think I'm in demo, I can be in demo on this one. Yeah, so I'll just demo this one. So it cut through there. There's no MACD confirmation, but the MACD is up and the stochastic is up.
Mm-hmm.
You might have taken this, though, earlier. I don't know, man. This week I don't have very much work to do, so I'm thinking like...
I have a lot of work to do this week.
I saw your schedule, dude. That's crazy.
It's crazy, yeah. Yeah.
That's like one of your busiest weeks.
In a while, yeah. Definitely.
So this is trailing by that much. So when it crossed over here, you could have taken a call right here, or even like right here. You could have taken that call, or even right here. Well, it's winning, dude. That won.
Won. Yeah. And I'm not sure that it's slowing down. So yeah, I feel like these 1 minute alligators actually give you a good sense of uptrend.
Yeah, because look at that uptrend. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's going.
Yeah.
And then so that might win too. I don't think with 4 deep we can risk this kind of trade. I mean, maybe. Yeah, if we're on a winning streak, yeah, because once we lose our first one, we'd only have 3 more trades left.
Right.
Like if we're doing a push like this.
Mm-hmm.
But we might win 3 or 4 trades on it. I still think we should only go 5 fortifications. I think it's ridiculous to do 6.
Okay.
I mean, after this week, I think we should go to 5 fortifications, start out with like $50, go back to day 1, and then we'll actually only be 45 days away, dude.
Yeah. It's true.
They're that one too. But when to stop, you don't really know when to stop. I mean, maybe you don't have to because these are just still going. Yeah, this could be like 4 or 5 wins right here till it gets up to this line. It'll probably cut out right around here. It's probably the last green candle. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. We're gonna end the stream, and
we will see you another
7 wins,
day.
6 in a row, dude. We got 6 wins in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 wins in a row today. That was amazing. We're gonna keep doing this, guys. I hope your confidence is renewed, and
because mine's sure not.
It isn't?
No, I'm just kidding.
All right. See y'all.
Bye.